Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Kumusta kayo? No? Naway nasa mabuti ang lahat, ano? So, magandang balita. 121 subscriber na po tayo, no? So, dumami na. So maraming salamat sa mga nag-subscribe at sa mga hindi pa, maraming salamat din sa mga magsa-subscribe pa. So ano na yung balita ngayon? May maganda, may hindi maganda. So unahin siguro natin yung hindi maganda. No? Patindi na, no? First, continuation remarks about the West Philippine Sea issue, no? Huwag na nating patagalin pa, no? Medyo busy lang ako last 2 days kasi bakbakan sa operation. Ngayon lang ulit nakasilip at excited na naman sa mga trending news. So, continuation natin about the West Philippine Sea incidents, no? Mates, this is a critical level already. This is about security matters, national security matters. So, this is not a joke. Anyway, our leaders should take appropriate action immediately, no? So this is not it should be on a heightened alert level na, kumbaga. Kasi this is a very serious situation to the Filipino people, no? Security matters. So this is a national security matters in and out, no? Hindi napuputol yung issue, no? Tuloy-tuloy ang nagiging nagiging tumaas na. Kumbaga yung nasa producing fire already firing. So in a fire triangle there is 3 factors. So there is a fire, there is a heat, there's oxygen. So kailangan natin, we should eliminate the other one or 2 so that they cannot produce fire. So that's the situation now in the West Philippine Sea. So we have to prevent or act now. We have to prevent involving into war. So may napanood ako, I'm watching with one of the vlogger, Maharlika. So baka narinig niyo yan, si Fair Lady Maharlika. So what I'm thinking is yun. So sana hindi totoo yun. It's a fake news. So what I mean is we are engaging into like Ukraine, you know what I mean, because this is a security matters, mates. So I hope Filipino people are aware. So this platform, this social media is very effective to inform Filipino people what's happening now, because this is a very serious. This is a very serious. This is a security matters. So we don't like war, but we have to be prepared. No? Yes, we have to be prepared on whatever it takes. So nobody knows. But that statement from Harlika, it's either true or not. We all Filipinos must be prepared. No. We are on a critical level. I told you this. Philippines now in a critical level. So you see the statement of our president, you know, uh, hindi tayo pasusupil at pang-aati at hindi na maulit muli yung nangyari. So, what's next? What's next? They already boarded our vessel. And one thing, this BRP Sierra Madre, there is a possibilities that they will board all this Chinese Coast Guard. They will board again. And what's happened? Hindi na ba tayo lalaban? So, hanggat maaari, no? Hanggat maaari, uh, ano pa rin tayo? Patience. Or pasensya, hands up. So, the soldiers on BRP Sierra Madre will suffer because if we cannot engage resupply on that vessel, what happened to those soldiers stationed on the BRP Sierra Madre? If the Chinese Coast Guard or Chinese vessel will block surrounds on that area, so how they will survive? So that's the big question mark. No? If the next resupply mission will fully blocked by Chinese, and one thing, as per I heard the news, they will not they will not inform Chinese authorities to engage resupply mission on the next resupply mission. So it's getting hot. The fire is getting bigger. So instead of prevention, we are getting on fire. So yun sinasabi ko mga kumbayan. We have the leader of the Philippines must act not for engaging firing. You see, you know what I mean. Must be prevention. Always prevent. No? Diplomacy. So you will sacrifice the Philippines on that decision. That's very, very wrong. So ayaw natin gumaya ng isang Ukraine. No? You know already that we are not ready enough. We don't have any capabilities to fight China. The only one thing is we have to take an appropriate action immediately to prevent fire. Because we already started. They already started. Not the Filipino people. The China already started the fire, but we should eliminate the fuel and oxygen, not so that it will not produce the fire. We have to eliminate 2 or 3 of the fire triangle to eliminate the fire. So I know what I mean. And the best way, and that is the best way. So, kasi bago-bago yung decision ng Commander-in-Chief. And we should not blame, no? Marami rin tayong naririnig, no? We should not blame the Filipino soldiers because they are doing their job. They are following orders from the top. So, what is the order? It's the following orders because they are the soldiers, right? So, yun. What happened is in Ayong Song class was if the order should not fight, should not give the first strike, and that's it. That's it. But in what rules of engagement, anong scenario that they will apply? You know, napakahirap, ano? The there's a lot of parameters to the soldiers assigned on that mission. So it's very hard for them also because the situation is very critical. Uh, and, the best way to prevent that fire is to uh, diplomatic bilateral talks between two countries, the Philippines and China. The two leaders must talk face to face. And mayroon na ko rin na ano, no, to prevent, na-research din ako, uh, to prevent this water dispersal. The best, pinaka-option, pag ang isang territory, which there is a territory na mayroong disputes, no? And yung pinaka-solution, yeah, the best solution is to share that on that dispute water. They will share the resources, because everything on that area, kaysa magkaroon ng gera. No? So, pwedeng maging opsyonan ng Pilipinas. No? That's the best option also. Then, we cannot use just the area of all West Philippine Sea because they already installed everything. Military base, they have a lot of facilities already there. So talo tayo. And what if Sir Madre already boarded? Then, no? They will fight. So they will start the war. So, ano? So the leaders should act now to prevent the firing situation because they're already a small fire. So you have to cut that. You have to combat and eliminate the fire as soon as possible. And that's the best way, mga kababayan. So, ngayon ang ano ko lang ngayon, remarks, ano, because as captain's point of view, nakikita ko, and according to my research also, now, so we are in a critical situation. Sa height, kumbaga, in a maritime level, we have level 1, level 2, level 3. So level 2 now, we are not an ordinary level 1, but level 2, heightened. The alert is being heightened in level 2. So hindi yun biro. No. There is an imminent danger will come out. So you have to prevent. So babayan, you have to be prepared. Yeah, that's the truth. We don't like war, but we have to be prepared. Nobody knows because only the politicians, they are busy with politics. They are busy with getting their budget and put in their own pocket. They are asshole. So who will suffer? The Filipino people? No. So we have to be prepared. I know all Filipino people now is we have to be what do you call this one? You have to act now. You have to act as soon as possible than too late. So that's all for today. That's my advance information for us. So we must be ready whatever happens. So I know the fire is already there, so we have to prevent. But on other hand, for our family, we have to protect. So We have to pray to prevent uh, that situation will happen. Okay, so thank you very much, and God bless for everyone. So thank you for subscribing and to help this channel. Okay, God bless.